myself. How did I lose her heart? Your love was in my reach, but now far, far, far gone. I never thought that I would fall this hard. I was afraid to tell you all the feelings in my heart, thinking that if I told you, I would fall apart. I hesitated, and now our love is breaking. Cause you moved on, and I'm still waiting. Baby, he won't ever love you like I do. Cause you should be my lady. Waited for so long to say to you, come back. You were so perfect in my dreams. Don't you know that I will always love you forever? But baby, when the church bells ring, you know I want us to be there together. Now you're in your wedding dress, girl, I'm in your wedding dress. How could you be the one? Wedding dress, girl, I'm in your wedding dress. Oh no, now it all comes down to this. Our love is such a bliss. You blessed me with the best, and now we want in your heart. I wanted you to know my heart bled for you. But would he ever do the same for you? We played this game of love, but now is it that I came out good? Wishing that this could happen real this time around our love. Take the time, run, and I can't keep on it.